It's a record-breaking day for snow in southwestern Pennsylvania. It is just nonstop.
Very impactful snowfall.
A lot more snow coming down.
Double-digit snow totals, and now we're bracing for extreme cold.
Yeah, it turns out that when water comes through your ceiling and into your computer, it's not a good thing. I do not have the ability to use my arms, my legs. I can move my head and my mouth, and I can breathe and I can eat. The computer is not just a way for me to play video games. And if you don't have a reliable machine, you're in trouble in my world.
So when Steve's PC was damaged from a leak in his roof, it left Steve offline for 9 full days, completely cut off from everything.
Today, we're in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and we're gonna rebuild Steve's PC.
What?
For 20 years, ROG has pushed performance to the next level, raising the bar for gamers everywhere. For 6 years, Steve's ROG-powered PC has been his workhorse, and the one thing he never had to worry about until the day of the leak. This is the ROG 20th Anniversary Extreme PC Makeover.
Help. Honestly, it's like looking into the face of God. Top of the morning to you, YouTube. It's your boy, Steven Swan. Welcome to another edition of Andy the Lab Does Computers.
It turned Irish.
So Dev's phone number is... Hey everybody, my name's Steve Spawn, and I have a terminal illness that's gonna kill me real soon. Sucks. Good? 3D, pull it back, okay. I am a disability advocate and longtime internet gamer. What's up, my friends? How are you doing tonight? I've been around since dinosaurs were in the sky and back in the AOL dial-up days, where they both made the same noises, by the way. That's actually how we got to AOL, was a pterodactyl flew us there screeching the entire way.
When we first saw your entry video,
yes,
we were completely just blown away by you as a human being and your story and everything. And how
Suckers.
When we launched this giveaway, we were looking for someone with a real connection to ROG. With this being the 20th year anniversary, we wanted to reward someone who truly believed in the brand, and that's exactly what we found in Steve. For the past 6 years before the leak, his entire setup was powered by ROG, from the motherboard to the AIO to the PSU. And you'll soon learn that ROG is a huge part of his life, a brand he fully trusts and depends on.
You know, my connection to the world is through my PC, and for I think a lot of us, our computers are important, but for me it's mission critical. Without that object, I can't connect with my friends, I can't connect with my family, my girlfriend, my world. We were friends for a long time before anything crossed into the realm of romantic, and it was just talking on computers, so through screens. She's been one of my best friends for a long time, and this is how we did it. Like, yeah, being in the same room is great, but you can have a good connection through a PC.
So when the water came pouring through the ceiling and destroyed his PC, being offline had a much greater impact on Steve.
When you're unable to leave your home or unable to leave your room, your walls become prison bars, and your computer really is your window to the world. It is everything.
If I get into trouble and I need to call a nurse in a different room, if I don't have access to my computer and my Amazon device, sometimes they malfunction. Without the computer, I can't call for help. Like, I could need to breathe, I could have my tubing pop apart, and if they don't see it in time, I'm in trouble.
And that's what made Steve the perfect fit for this PC makeover. So let's build him a new system that's powerful and something he can rely on each day.
Oh my God, look at that silver, wow. You just pile the boxes up on me as we continue. We had like a small Roadrunner sign to hold up just to help.
Gotta give Kingston a special shout out because they provided all the RAM and SSD.
Oh, can you just write "I love Kingston" on a piece of paper and hold it up? Intensely watching the Kingston. Yes, do the screws right, or you know what happens. Oh, I warned you, you're never gonna have another person like me. I warned you.
All jokes aside, as we really got into the build, we started to talk about how Steve has adapted everything to control his PC.
Yeah, I have adapted a lot of everyday technologies to suit my specific needs. So I have a very cool hat that has a 3-point IR sensor that allows me to have like a little dartboard on my screen that I can look around, hit different sections, and those different sections correspond to different keyboard presses. But it was originally intended for a Microsoft Flight Simulator, and I adapted it because there was no other good way to do it, especially if I wanted to talk to friends or to be able to be on the stream. I can't just constantly be yelling out commands to a computer to, go left, go right, etc. In a video game, I will put my head up in order to make my character jump, or I'll look down in order to make it crouch, or I can move left and right in order to make it do keyboard presses that would make it grab an item or whatnot for a video game. In that sense, I really am using my entire head control to control the computer.
We talked a lot about how the PC connects Steve to the world, and firsthand we got to see the community he's built around it.
Yeah, I am a part-time streamer on Twitch, and my community is sort of my biggest social input. Pretty much.
Be afraid. You should know.
Oh god, here we go.
Oh, take care of it.
Once you got the audio. Stop it. It is probably a couple hundred strong of just individuals who laugh, have fun. I call them my criminals. They run around, they're obsessed with ducks. Y'all are just obsessed with ducks. They are the funnest bunch of humans I ever found. Here we go.
We got to hang out during Steve's live stream, and it was clear that this new PC is not just hardware, it's bringing people together and his community closer than ever.
Honestly, it's like looking into the face of God. I don't know about you, but I felt chills.
As we neared the end of the build, Steve talked about a close friend that he streams with every week.
So my friend Guy and I have been streaming together for 6 or 7 years. Support each other through the good times and the bad. Sometimes even though you're alone in your room, you never feel like you actually are alone.
And this PC is gonna help keep that connection going.
They won't give you the computer. Help. Help.
We had a lot of funny moments in this build, but it was finally time to power it on.
Let's go. That's awesome.
And after admiring this new build, it was time to bring out the monitor that ASUS sent over to complete the look. A stunning ROG Swift OLED display. For 20 years, ROG has pushed the limits of performance. For Steve, that performance powers something even more important: the ability to show up, connect with others, and keep doing what he loves.
And I know it sounds like to any of you listening, like, man, they just said the word connection 80,000 times in this video. And the problem is, like, I really feel like people don't understand that. And someone in my situation that's what we have to reach to the world. A computer is not just a device that allows you to look up how many cookies Cookie Monster can eat per day. It's something that you use to connect you to everyone else. So yes, I harp on the word connection because every time you call someone on the phone, you text someone, you hug your mom, you pat your sister on the back, or you just drive to work, you're connecting with the world. I can't do that. So, you need to rely on these things. And if you don't have a reliable machine, you're in trouble in my world.
And that's another episode of the ASUS Extreme PC Makeover, a special 20th ROG celebration. ROG will continue to power Steve's PC and everything that comes with it. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. You might be next.